Hey guys, thanks for coming to this video. So today I wanted to show you guys my go-to look using the Tati Beauty palette. I've been using it a lot and there's just this one look that I keep doing. I can't stop doing it. It just looks so good. I'm in love with it and I wanted to just share it with you guys. So if you guys want to see the look I'm talking about, let's get into it. So you guys, this palette is so beautiful. I cannot stop using it, but something happened, okay? Something happened and it is really sad. I don't know what happened, but I cracked the mirror somehow. So my mirror is just cracked. This gorgeous big mirror on this gorgeous palette is cracked. I don't know what happened. I didn't drop it. I didn't do anything, but all the shadows are fine. It's okay because the shadows, they're okay. It's okay. They're also gorgeous. Okay, so this is what I do. I can't stop using Soothe right here, the Soothe matte shade in the transition. And then I'll go into Ritual in the metallic and then Soothe in the metallic on the lid. A little bit of Aura. And then the star of the show is the Soothe glitter right here. It looks so good. I can't, like, I want to use all the glitters, but what I've been doing just like looks so good. I can't stop. I can't switch it up. I need to, but I don't want to. It's like, you know, when you go to a restaurant and you try something that's so good and you're like, okay, their other stuff has to be really good too, but every time you go, you just get the same thing because it's so good. That's what it is with this look. I'm gonna scoot a little closer so you guys can see, and I'm gonna show you what I've been doing almost daily. I've been trying to switch it up, but it's so hard when you find something that you love so much and just like complements your eyes so well that you're just like, can I just wear this forever for the rest of my life? This is my eye look now. This is it for me. I'm good. Also, before I zoom in, I wanted to mention my Jaclyn Hill Holiday Highlight Collection giveaway. I do have that video up already. I will link it below. But if you have not entered and have not seen about my giveaway yet, go check it out. I'm giving away 2 different highlight items from that collection and I'm so excited about it. It's a beautiful collection, so go check that out. All right, now that I am zoomed in, I'm gonna go ahead and take that Soothe matte shade right here and just use that as a transition. And just going in lightly as I normally do. You can keep adding more, but you can't take it away that easy. So just blending that into the crease. And you can see how like even and just beautiful that's blending, and that's like, I'm like hardly doing anything. Like this is like so easy to blend. I just love it. So I'm really concentrating it right here in this, like, just kind of tucking it in this little area, and I'm trying to make my eye shape like a little more rounded on the side. And also because my eyes are hooded, I like to bring this shadow out a little further than my actual crease. If I just stayed right in the crease, it would kind of make my eyes look a little smaller than they are. So just really blending that out, going all the way to the inner corner. So now I will do the other side real quick. So I'm also going to take that same shade and go under the lid with the same brush just like that. And something I like to do to kind of keep my eye, the shadow shape, kind of making it lift up so my eyes aren't droopy at all, is I'll take my beauty sponge, which the side that I use my powder, so I press the powder under my eyes with this. So I'll just take that and just kind of dab it right under my eye just to make sure you're not getting any shadow falling down, because if you get a darker shadow kind of slightly under here, it's gonna bring your eyes down and make them look heavy and tired. So you want to keep that shape going up, and sometimes you can't even see it, but if there's a little bit of darkness there, it's gonna drag your eyes down. So I just make sure to do that, and it helps just lift my eyes up. So then I'm gonna go back in with a smaller blending brush. I'm gonna go into the shade Ritual, and I'm gonna dab a little bit of the matte and a little bit of the sequin, like a tiny bit, like just like that. You can see like a tiny bit on there. And then I'm also gonna flick it off. I want to add like a little bit of depth in the outer corner. So just going right over where we went, just kind of a more concentrated area. You can see just adding a tiny bit of depth there. So now that's looking how I want it. I'm gonna take the shade Ritual, this more bronzy in the metallic, and that's gonna go on the outer half of my lid, just with my finger. Just like that. Then I'm gonna take the Soothe metallic, so it's a little lighter, more golden tone. Take that on the inner half of my lid and just kind of blend those back and forth. It's hard to do with these big nails, but your finger definitely works best for a lot of stuff like this, metallics, and I don't use it for the glitter because these nails just don't let me get where I need to. But if you have shorter nails, definitely use your finger for glitters. Then I'm gonna take Aura in the metallic and just try to get that, just kind of like this very inner little part on my lid right there. Just a little pop. And that's where we're gonna go in with the glitter as well. I'm gonna use that same shade to highlight the brow bone. Then just using a flat shader brush like this one, I'm gonna go into that glitter, the Soothe glitter, lighter champagne-y gold one. The glitter I cannot stop using. This glitter is like amazing. So you can just pack it on like this. It's gonna have a little bit of fallout, but it just wipes right off. It's crazy. Like and it doesn't fall on your face throughout the day. That's something I really cannot stand about a lot of glitters, is kind of you put them on your eye and then an hour later it's just like it's all over and you're like, I might as well have just spread it all over my face. Why did I just, you know, put it on my eye? But somehow this formula is like magic fairy dust that just stays where you put it, and if it falls on your face, it just comes right off. It's so good. Like, she did such a great job formulating this glitter. I can't even stand it. And that's why I've been using it so much. Usually I don't use glitter because it's so messy. So what I'll do is I'll just concentrate it right here. I'm just gonna blend it out slightly. Also, I like to put it on the inner corner and just wrap it around right underneath my eyeball. And so you can see I have some that just fell on my cheek. So now all that excess glitter that just fell on my cheek is completely gone. Which I don't know any other brand of glitter that is like that. Usually if it falls on your face, it's there and you just have to accept it and live with it for the rest of your life. This is just so good. Okay, I'll just do the other eye. Then I'm gonna take that smaller brush with the darker color on there. I'm not gonna put any more color on it. I'm just gonna go under my eye and just add a little bit of a darker color right in here. Then I'm going to take this NYX Wonder Pencil. It's just a nude eyeliner and just do the waterline with it. And you can see it just kind of opens up the eye a little bit. It's just subtle. It's not white. I like that it's more cream, not a stark white. Okay, now that that is done, I'm gonna go finish some eyeliner and lashes and I will be right back. All right, I am back with liner and lashes and you guys can see just how beautiful this looks. I just can't get over it. Like I can't stop with the glitter. And I can't stop using that one shade. I know I need to branch out and use the rest because they're all beautiful, but I just wanted to show you guys if you guys got this palette or if you're wanting it. I know the pre-sale is sold out, but she is making it a permanent item and I can't wait to see what else Tati does with her beauty line. It's so I think everybody would love this palette. It's just so gorgeous. You have all the mattes, you got all the different shimmers and glitters, and they're so easy to use. She did such a good job. So I just can't get enough. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this eye look. I know I do with the glitter. It just makes it so much easier to wear glitter on a daily basis and you're not worried about it going anywhere and getting everywhere. And okay, I need to stop talking about how much I love it because I think you guys get it. Yeah, I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe if you haven't already and ring the little notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.